What if the secret to living longer wasn't a magic pill, a superfood, or a miracle diet, but the simple choices you make every day, the way you move, eat, and even think? Imagine your life as a tapestry, woven with small, intentional actions that quietly shape your health, your mood, and even how long you live. In Japan, people routinely live past 100, and it's not luck they haven't discovered some hidden elixir. Instead, their longevity comes from habits embedded in daily life, habits that blend health, mindfulness, and simplicity into everything they do. From serene morning routines that greet the rising sun to meals that honor flavor and balance, these habits are not mere rituals, they are lifelines. And here's the most powerful part. These aren't complicated routines, expensive supplements, or secret formulas. They are small, intentional actions. Actions that, when practiced consistently, build stronger bodies, sharper minds, and calmer hearts. And you can start today, right now. By the end of this video, you'll discover 10 Japanese habits that could transform the way you live forever. Tip 1. Harachibu. Eat until 80% full. In Okinawa, home to one of the highest concentrations of centenarians in the world, there's a saying, harachibu. It literally means, eat until you're 80% full. No more, no less. The idea is simple. Leave a little room in your stomach. Why? Because overeating is one of the fastest ways to stress your body, spike inflammation, and accelerate aging. Here's how to practice it. Start by eating slowly. Japanese meals are designed to be savored. Small bites, soft textures, natural flavors. Pause between bites and notice your level of fullness. Stop before you feel completely stuffed. Over time, this tiny adjustment reduces calorie overload, improves digestion, and supports a longer, healthier life. Imagine sitting down for a meal and treating it as a mindful ritual. You notice the aroma of miso soup rising from the bowl, the gentle steam curling from perfectly steamed rice, the vibrant colors of vegetables on your plate. You take a bite, chew slowly, savor every flavor. Your mind is present. You leave a little on your plate not because you're forcing yourself, but because your body tells you, this is enough. That is harachibu in practice. Small, simple, and quietly transformative. Tip 2. Daily movement. Walk, stretch, and embrace nature. The Japanese don't obsess over gyms, high-intensity workouts, or complex fitness routines. Instead, they move naturally, gently, and consistently. From morning stretches to evening walks, daily movement is woven into life like breathing itself. Take a page from their book. Walk or bike for short errands, climb stairs instead of using elevators, stretch your body each morning. Even a short, mindful walk can improve circulation, strengthen muscles, and reduce the risk of chronic illnesses like heart disease and diabetes. Nature is also essential. The Japanese practice Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, a slow, mindful immersion in the forest. Studies show spending time among trees reduces stress hormones, boosts immunity, and even lowers blood pressure. Just 20 minutes of walking in a park, listening to the rustle of leaves, breathing in fresh air, can clear your mind, energize your body, and support longevity. Consistency matters more than intensity. It's the daily rhythm of movement, not the occasional marathon, that strengthens the body and supports a long, healthy life. Tip 3. Mindful eating and presentation. In Japan, food is never just nourishment, it's art. Each meal is an invitation to slow down, appreciate, and savor life itself. The colors, the textures, the arrangement on the plate naturally guide you to eat mindfully. Here's a simple way to start. Before taking a bite, pause for a moment. Notice the vibrant green of steamed broccoli, the delicate pink of fish, the subtle shine of pickled vegetables. Inhale the aromas. Appreciate the balance of flavors and textures. This practice not only prevents overeating but enhances digestion and cultivates gratitude for the food that fuels you. Imagine a dinner table where no one is scrolling on their phone. Every bite is intentional. Every flavor is noticed. Every meal becomes a moment of mindfulness. That's the essence of mindful eating, a practice that nourishes both body and soul. Tip 4. Regular tea rituals. The power of green tea. Green tea in Japan is more than a drink, it's a ritual. Steaming cups of vibrant green tea, inhaling its earthy aroma, feeling the warmth in your hands, is a daily pause that soothes both body and mind. Rich in antioxidants, catechins, and polyphenols, green tea reduces inflammation, supports heart health, and promotes healthy aging. Research shows that drinking several cups of green tea daily can significantly lower the risk of stroke and heart disease. But it's not about consuming gallons, it's about incorporating tea into your day as a mindful practice. Pour slowly. Smell the steam. Savor the taste. Share it with a friend. These moments, small as they seem, accumulate into stronger health and a calmer mind. Tip 5. Strong social connections. Longevity isn't just about physical health, it's deeply social. In Japan, strong family bonds, close-knit communities, and friendships are central to life. Elderly people often remain active in their neighborhoods, visiting friends, playing games, sharing tea, and attending festivals. Isolation is rare, and social engagement is a daily habit. Connect with friends, share meals, attend local events, or volunteer. Research shows that people with strong social networks live longer, have lower stress, and enjoy better overall health. Remember, laughter, shared stories, and meaningful connections aren't just enjoyable, they are medicine for the body and soul. Imagine sitting with a friend, sipping tea, laughing about a shared memory, while the sunlight falls softly through the shoji screens. That simple moment, repeated daily, strengthens not only your heart, but your lifespan itself. Tip 6. Minimal stress and mental clarity. Stress doesn't just make your day harder, it ages you faster. Elevated cortisol levels, chronic tension, and mental fatigue all chip away at your health and longevity. The Japanese understand this intuitively, weaving rituals of calm, mindfulness, and reflection into their daily lives. Take the morning tea ceremony, for example. The process of preparing and sipping tea slowly isn't just about taste, it's a deliberate practice of focus and serenity. Or consider tending a bonsai tree. Each precise snip and careful shaping encourages patience, mindfulness, and presence. Even a quiet walk through a local park, listening to birds and feeling the sunlight on your skin, can reset your mind and stabilize your emotions. Daily stress management isn't a luxury, it's a longevity practice. Studies show that just 10 minutes of mindful breathing, meditation, or silent reflection can lower cortisol, enhance heart health, and improve mental resilience. Picture this. You sit quietly, inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and for a moment, your mind is clear. That small pause, repeated daily, protects your body, calms your mind, and extends your life. Tip 7. Balanced diet. Fresh, seasonal, and local. The Japanese diet isn't about restrictions, it's about harmony. It emphasizes seasonal, fresh, and local foods. Staples like fish, seaweed, rice, vegetables, and fermented foods provide the nutrients, fiber, and probiotics that the body needs to function optimally and age gracefully. Incorporating these foods is simple. Add colorful vegetables to your plate, enjoy a portion of fish a few times a week, and explore fermented foods like miso, natto, or pickled vegetables. Moderate your rice portions, and avoid processed foods that add unnecessary sugars and preservatives. By following the natural rhythm of the seasons, your body receives a balanced variety of nutrients throughout the year, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial bacteria that promote digestion, immunity, and overall vitality. Imagine a market in Kyoto in spring, filled with fresh greens, shiny fish, and vibrant seasonal fruits. Eating with this awareness isn't just healthy, it's a celebration of life, flavor, and balance. Tip 8. Adequate sleep and rest. Sleep is often underestimated, but Japanese elders know it's a cornerstone of health and longevity. Quality sleep repairs the body, clears toxins from the brain, balances hormones, and supports the immune system. Aim for consistent sleep schedules, a dark and quiet room, and wind-down rituals that signal your body it's time to rest. Even short, strategic naps, like the Japanese inamuri napping briefly while seated, can recharge energy without disrupting nighttime sleep. Rest is not laziness, it's a life-extending habit. Picture a quiet evening in a Japanese home. Futons neatly arranged, dim lanterns glowing softly, the sound of rain outside. You stretch lightly, sip a calming herbal tea, and let your mind drift. That is not just rest, it's a ritual that rejuvenates every cell in your body, silently adding years to your life. Tip 9. Laughter and joyful living. Laughter is a natural stress reliever, a healer, and a longevity booster. In Japanese culture, humor, playfulness, and lighthearted social interaction are part of everyday life. From neighborhood festivals to shared stories over tea, joy is woven into daily living. Positive emotions trigger the release of endorphins, strengthen the immune system, and even enhance cardiovascular health. Find small reasons to smile every day: a funny story, a playful joke, or watching children at play. It might seem trivial, but those small bursts of joy accumulate over time, literally adding years to your life. Imagine sitting with friends in a sunlit room, laughter bubbling up effortlessly, the warmth of shared joy surrounding you. That simple act of being present, happy, and connected is a potent longevity practice. Tip 10. Lifelong purpose. Ikigai. Perhaps the most profound of all habits is discovering your ikigai, your reason for being. Ikigai lies at the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what can support you financially. It's more than a job or hobby, it's a life mission. Studies in Okinawa, where centenarians abound, show that having a sense of purpose extends lifespan, improves physical and mental health, and boosts daily happiness. Your ikigai could be anything: gardening, art, teaching, mentoring, or caring for family. The key is engaging in something meaningful every day. This engagement fuels motivation, resilience, and longevity. Picture an elderly artist, brush in hand, painting landscapes that capture the beauty of each season. Or a grandmother teaching grandchildren traditional crafts, her eyes bright with purpose. These aren't just activities, they are lifelines, keeping the body and mind vibrant through decades. These 10 Japanese habits: eating mindfully, moving naturally, connecting deeply, managing stress, savoring seasonal foods, resting well, laughing, and pursuing purpose aren't hidden secrets. They're simple, daily actions that accumulate over time, creating a long, vibrant life. And the beauty is, you can start today. Pick one habit, integrate it into your routine, and notice the ripple effect on your health, mood, and energy. Share this video with someone who values life, health, and happiness. And don't forget to subscribe for more transformative habits from around the world. Remember, longevity isn't magic, it's mindful living, one habit at a time.